And welcome back to our Generative AI learning series. I am Punyakirti BL. In the last video, we explored tokens and tokenization. Today, we are moving one step further. We will talk about embeddings. What are embeddings? Why do tokens need to become vectors? And how does this help LLMs capture meaning? That's exactly what we will cover in this video. This is part of Generative AI learning series, Embeddings, how LLMs understand meaning. So, what are embeddings? Embeddings are the backbone of how LLMs understand language. A token by itself is just text, but the model can't work directly with text. So, each text is mapped to high dimensional vector, basically a list of numbers. These numbers aren't random, they capture the meaning, context, and relationships of the words. So, embeddings are the bridge between human language and machine understanding. So, next is semantic meaning in vector space. The magic of embeddings is that words with similar meanings end up close to each other in vector space. For example, the distance between king and queen is similar to distance between man and woman. This allows the model to recognize relationships, analogies, and similarities in meaning, not just exact word matches. In other words, embeddings give language a geometry. Positional embeddings. Tokens and embeddings alone aren't enough. If I say dog bites man versus man bites dog, the meaning changes completely. That's where positional embeddings come in. They inject information about the order of words in a sentence so the model can understand context and sequence. Without positional embeddings, everything would like a bag of words and meaning would be lost. Why embeddings matter? Embeddings are everywhere. They allow us to similarity search in RAG, build recommendation systems, translate languages, and even power chatbots. Anytime you see AI capturing meaning beyond just words, embeddings are behind it. Thank you for watching. We explored what embeddings are in this session, how they capture meaning in vector space, and why positional embeddings are crucial. In the next video, we will dive into attention mechanism, one of the key innovations that makes transformers so powerful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you found this useful, see you in the next one. Thank you very much.